Hey Salam, I hope you guys doing well. Halal Chef is back for another video, and this time I'm making Fettuccine Alfredo with chicken and mushrooms. Fettuccine Alfredo is a famous Italian pasta dish. It is so creamy and so rich. It is made with Parmesan Reggiano cheese. Mainly there are two types of Fettuccine Alfredo. First version just uses Parmesan Reggiano, pasta water and some pasta and butter. Second version uses double cream. We're gonna be making it with double cream. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. Gonna start with mushrooms. Now these are actually optional, so you don't have to use them. Personally, I think they add a lot of flavor, so I'm gonna use them. Let's thinly slice them. 3 fingers of the mushrooms, and this knuckle is gonna be your guide. Remove this onto a bowl. Grab the chicken breast. Thinly slice the breast from the middle. Add black pepper, smoked paprika, good touch of salt. Give this a really good mix. I think you know where we're going with this. Grab the chicken, season generously with that seasoning, both sides. Smells amazing already. Paprika adds a bit of sweetness and the color to this chicken. It's gonna be really nice. Turn the heat to medium. In with the chicken. You want to cook this until nice and golden brown from both sides. Make sure to keep an eye on your chicken, you don't want to burn them. Once the chicken is done, you just want to remove it onto your plate. And just leave it in a warm place. For the pasta and boiling water, add salt, good pinch of that. In with the fettuccine pasta. Give this a mix and cook this for around 10 minutes. Just gonna move this onto a different heat. Grab another pan. In with knobs of butter. Touch of oil so the butter won't burn. Use olive oil. In with garlic. Give this a mix and cook the rawness of the garlic. You just want to brown that garlic. Now when the garlic is nice and brown, in with your mushrooms. And we just want to lightly sweat those mushrooms, yeah? As you can see, the mushrooms as it releases water. You just want to dry some of the water. Now in with double cream. Give this a mix and bring this to simmer. Drain the pasta and save the pasta water. Season this with a good touch of black pepper and salt. Give this a mix. Nice and creamy. In with our beautiful pasta. Fettuccine. Season with a touch of pepper. Throw in Parmesan Reggiano cheese. Give this a mix. Oh man, that looks amazing. Add some of that pasta water and mix. Just keep cooking this for around 2 to 3 minutes until the sauce emulsifies. Some more that pasta water. Oh man, that looks so good, trust me. This smells amazing, look at that. Just turn off the heat. Let's slice this chicken. Serve it with a touch of more black pepper and some more Parmesan Reggiano. Just grate that on the top. Some of the fresh basil if you like. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. It looks really delicious. Just look at that. Wow. It's so rich. You know that Parmesan Reggiano cheese. Oh man. It is so rich. And those delicious mushrooms really add that flavor. Look at that. Oh man. One of the best pasta dishes ever. So delicious, so rich, and so creamy. Now let's try with some chicken. Bismillah. Chicken is so juicy. The smoked paprika really kicks in. It's amazing. Lovely flavor. Fettuccine Alfredo. You need to try this. One of my favorite pasta dishes ever. So buttery, so creamy. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like. Inshallah, I'll see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom, make for your dad, make for your family. Enjoy.